All right, before I get into this video, please help me get to 1,000. I'm so close. I can taste it. So close, I can taste it. Just like Patrick and SpongeBob, I taste. There's a few things that I want to do. I'll go over in this video, either like PDR and stuff like that, or something that I want to do is to get my shotgun, my pistol, and do a segue on parts. Do a little thing that parts that don't work. So I can take out all the junk stuff that doesn't work, or all the things that are broken, and I can set them on a freaking piece of wood out there, and I can just blow them up with tannerite. So let me know if you think that'll be pretty cool. I'm pretty sure I can make that happen, and we can just keep it going from there. We could blow up transmissions, stock motors, wheels, whatever, and just go out there and have a bunch of fun. So let me know, and then we'll get to the video. Oh man, I'm sorry. I've been out working so much. Oh, it looks so sad. Oh, it looks so sad. I still got my OG speaker in there though. Oh, I'm dying. COVID. Shut up. Anyways, still in the same spot, but I have an idea of what I want to do to kind of keep things, you know, kind of something I wanted to try, and I guess I might as well just put it on YouTube. And I do have a viable subject to work on to try it out for myself, since progress is being a little bit more slower than what I wanted it to be on the Tahoe. Wheels and tires that I originally had planned. Really, right now I'm just skimming Facebook, because out here in the boonies you could just find something for like 200 bucks and get like a full set of tires, which is pretty good. But this is what I'm thinking of trying, and actually thinking of doing on my own, like legitimately, like as a side hustle. PDR. Oh, I legitimately want to try and attempt PDR, right? Because I got a few things right here, here, and up there. Surprisingly, the more I look at it, when the truck is cleaned up, the truck is and you know, there's a few right here. The truck is surprisingly pretty straight. There's nothing really wrong with it. Oh, there's another small one right there. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in seeing or trying out. I know a little bit about me when I initially wanted to start working on cars back when I was like a freaking teenager. Is body work. So I've been around a couple of guys that do pretty good work with PDR stuff. And TBH, I'm thinking of doing it on my own. Now, yes, I am driving the truck, and what I have going on in my head is, man, look at all this, is hiring someone else to put in my truck. That way the truck can pay for itself, the guy pay me, and then I can focus on this stuff, because I hate being away for so long. That's why, really big shout out to the guys that are on the road doing videos and all kinds of stuff. But when I'm out there and delivering, going here on the phone here and there, it is super hard to try and stay up on top of everything. But we got no excuses here. No fucking excuses. We don't play that. And then we got a few that are right here. These are mainly like for me when I dropped when I was using the jack and the handle came bow, and I put it right there. So there's, you can see about one there, another one there. But for the most part, the body is pretty straight and intact. I'm gonna leave the paint the way it is, looking shitboxy. Let's see, we got another one right there. But let me know if that's something that you would like to see, either if it's two-door Tahoe stuff or just PDR stuff in general. I like to be patient with my work, so when it comes to stuff like PDR, or mainly when it comes like down to like working on cars, if I'm doing like a wiring repair or making a harness, or you know, little stuff like that, that there's nothing really, like there's no set rules and there's no rule book to it, that kind of stuff I like enjoy a little bit more than all the heavy mechanical work and everything. Obviously making cars and doing race car stuff is pretty cool, but I enjoy being patient and taking my time with doing little stuff like that. I know the ins and outs. I know the ins and outs. If you're gonna be doing this full time, paint can crack, there could be underlying bondo, whatever the case is. So I'm not new to it. I'm not new to the surprises that I'm gonna see if I do that kind of stuff. But let me know if you want to see that on the channel of me doing some PDR stuff on how I do it, because I'm a blank slate. I am a blank slate when it comes to PDR and body work and anything like that. So, but it is something that I'm thinking about doing. Other than that, the Tahoe plans are maybe within the next month, this will be up, ready for daily use every single day. Because using the Ram every day is cool, but I would rather save that for use on, you know, for work, and then around town here and there I could just throw some bullshit 87 gas in it and then call it a day and go from there, and then work on the other stuff later on. I may be able to get my hands on a 5.3 and an engine stand and work on that on the side and put everything together, you know. So we'll see what goes on with that, but that's a little bit of update with that. Let me know if you want to see some PDR stuff on the Tahoe. And then maybe even later on, what I really want to do to the Tahoe too is get the DIY dip your car kits, and do a little something with that on the Tahoe. I think that'll be pretty good. But other than that, mechanically for the most part, I still got the parts in there. I still got the window regulator to do, and I have no one else to blame but myself. But anyways, it's still not going anywhere. I've just been all over the place. I'd rather just make a video, make a little quick update, because if you see my other videos where I went from here to Oregon, Idaho, back to Texas, and this and that, I just got back from Tennessee. So trying to juggle everything, trying to get this up and going. I'm so close to 1,000. So close. Help me get to 1,000. So I'll see you guys later.